Hey guys, welcome back. And in today's video, we will learn about image elements in HTML. In this video, I will be using VS Code. So what are image elements? In HTML, image elements are simply image objects. We can use them to display images on our website. To write an image element, first write a single tag. We don't need a closing tag for image tags. Inside the tag, write the keyword img, short for image, and then write a src attribute, short for source. Follow your source attribute with an equal sign and a set of quotes. Inside your quotes, write your image name.image type. Now, one thing we must keep in mind is that we can't just use the address of an image anywhere in our computer. It must be in our coding folder to access this. If you watched our video on how to create an HTML file using VS Code, you might remember that we initially created a folder in File Explorer to let VS Code use it to hold our coding files. To use the image you want, just drag and drop your image into your coding folder. Back to our code. If we run this, we can see our image. If we don't like the size of our image, we can change it by using the width and the height attributes. To write the height attribute, first make sure there is spacing between your source and height attribute. You can even press Enter to move to a new line. Also make sure to write your attributes inside the angle brackets. After making sure everything is okay, write height all lowercase, followed by an equal sign and a set of quotes. You will write your height inside the quotation marks. If you run this code, you will see the new size of your image. But you may also notice that the width of the image also changed with the height. It is because we haven't set a width attribute, so the width will also change to compensate for the shape of the image. The same is true vice versa. But if we set a width attribute, we can see that the shape of the image has changed. It is good practice to write an alternate text for your image. This text will only display if the image fails to load on your website or if someone is using a screen reader. In that case, the screen reader will read the alternate text to describe the image. To write alternate text, write the alt attribute, short for alternate, followed by an equal sign and a set of quotation marks. Inside the quotation marks, write your alternate text, and also make sure to write all of that inside the angle brackets. And that's it. Image element in HTML lets programmers put images on their website. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.